This is my new co-host. I think you're going to do a better job than me, aren't you? Yeah, you probably are, aren't you? Getting kids interested in programming is always a tough challenge because no matter how many coding kits you buy them, what they really want to do is build their own robot friend. But that's where Makeblock's Cody Rocky comes in, because for kids who are 6 years old or older, they can actually build and program their very own pet robot. Cody Rocky is actually two devices in one. The faceplate here detaches and can be used as a standalone toy, while the motorized base will wheel the little cat robot around when it's in use. The top, however, can be programmed as a standalone device, and because there is a 6-axis gyroscope inside, you can even teach your kids how to turn it into a very rudimentary game controller. Now, to begin with, kids will learn how to code the way they always do, by dragging colored blocks into lines. But as they get more advanced, this system will allow them to graduate all the way up to coding very basic Python. Cody Rocky is available on Kickstarter right now and will continue to be so for the next 7 or so days. There are some early bird deals still available, although by the time you've seen this, probably not. So you'll probably have to wait until April when it will set you back $99. For all of the information about this gorgeous little robot, keep your browser locked on Engadget.com.